Did you know Windows Calculator can do much more than simple addition and subtraction? It includes powerful tools for scientific calculations, programming, graphing, financial planning, unit conversions, and productivity. Yeah, in this guide, I'll show you how to get the most out of Windows Calculator in 2026. Start by exploring the navigation menu. A Windows Calculator includes standard, scientific, programmer, graphing, date calculation, and converter modes, each designed for different types of tasks. To work more efficiently, take advantage of built-in productivity tools like history, memory, and always-on-top mode. These features let you reuse previous calculations, save important values, and keep Calculator visible while working in other apps. Instead of relying on your mouse, use keyboard shortcuts to perform calculations faster. For example, type numbers directly from your keyboard, press Enter for results, use Escape to clear entries, and Ctrl+C to copy answers. The Converter section is one of Calculator's most useful features. I mean, you can instantly convert currencies, temperatures, lengths, weights, volumes, energy, data sizes, and many other measurements without opening another app. When your work becomes more advanced, switch to scientific mode for complex formulas, programmer mode for binary and hexadecimal values, or graphing mode to visualize mathematical equations. These tools make Windows Calculator useful for students, developers, engineers, and professionals. Finally, keep Windows Calculator updated through the Microsoft Store. Regular updates bring performance improvements, bug fixes, and new features that help you get the best possible experience. And that's how to get the most out of Windows Calculator in 2026. By exploring every mode, using productivity tools, learning keyboard shortcuts, and keeping the app updated, you can turn Windows Calculator into a powerful everyday tool. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.